Welcome to Vignyan's Institute of Engineering for Women, a pioneering institution empowering women in engineering with strong academics and values. Established in 2008, Vignan serves 3,500 students with 9 UG and 7 PG programs and is the first autonomous women's engineering institute in Visakhapatnam. The institute holds MBA, NAC A+ with 3.49 score, UGC autonomous status till 2033 and permanent affiliation to JNTU GV. Funding for technology projects. It is also a nodal center for virtual labs under NIT Surathkal with 90% academic success and top placements including a 44 LPA offer from Amazon. Vignan is awarded Platinum rank for Global Green and Energy Standards and holds multiple national awards, major grants, 57 MOUs and skill development labs. With 597 publications, 25 books and 31 patents, Vignan continues to lead in education, innovation and women empowerment. We are proudly announcing the selection of 10 students by NatWest Group, Royal Bank of Scotland with an outstanding offer of 15 lakhs per annum. Congratulations to all the achievers. Now, hear the stories behind their success.
I got placed at NatWest for a package of 15 LPA. The continuous efforts and the constant learning has truly made it possible. I would like to thank our training and placement department for bringing us such great opportunities and for their continuous support.
I'm delighted to share you that I've got placed in NatWest for 15 LPA package through an on-campus trial. The supportive environment of Vignan and the continuous guidance of faculty have helped me in implementing my skills. The training sessions and the coding sessions that I've conducted has helped me in my recruitment process.
During this process, our college management had provided us with lots of support at every step of this journey. They have provided technical training, soft skills and various coding sessions which has improved my technical skills.
Hi, I'm Sneha and I'm from IT department. I'm extremely proud to share that I got selected for an internship at NatWest. This wouldn't be possible without our college. The placement sir worked really hard by providing us with best training sessions and interviews and industrial workshops which truly helped us to perform better.
One of the biggest opportunity and achievement in my life till now. All this was possible due to the continuous guidance and support of our TNP cell and our faculty. I have secured a 55,000 rank of MSET in college, but they have increased in my confidence also with technical skills. I am very grateful and thankful to our college for this wonderful opportunity.
We have various clubs, technical committees and many events happen throughout the year. These help me improve my technical skills, also help me improve my problem solving skills, leadership and teamwork.
I'm really happy to share that I have been achieved an internship opportunity at NatWest. My college has played a major role by conducting workshops, technical sessions and hackathons and continuous faculty support. I am very grateful to my college, Principal Ma'am, HOD Ma'am and Dean TNP Cell for this wonderful opportunity. Thank you.
Moving forward, we are delighted to share that 76 students have also been placed in Infosys, a global leader in technology and consulting. Heartiest congratulations to all the selected candidates. Now, let's hear the experience of our achiever.
I'm very excited to share that I have been placed at Infosys for 3.26 LPA. The support from our peer members and my faculty and the department faculty have been very wide range to crack this opportunity. I finally thank my principal ma'am to providing our CRT classes and the
placements in top core companies. Wheels India Limited welcomed 41 of our students, Lucas TVS had 44 selections, Mitsuba recruited 35 and Wabco added 10 more. Hearty congratulations to all our students stepping confidently into the core engineering world. Let's hear directly from our achievers about their journey and success.
I have recently placed in the Wheels India company at a campus placement. I am sincerely thankful to our principal ma'am, HOD sir and Dean TNP and faculty members to guided me more after supported me going through these training placements. Thankful for our college.
Hi, I'm Indu Palvalsa and I'm recently graduated from Vignana Institute of Engineering for Women in ECE. Though I'm from a non-IT background, because of the college placement program and also CRT program helped us to get placed in multiple companies like Infinite, Digifac and Accenture. So because of their constant support and guidance, we got placed. So I thank college for this wonderful opportunity. Thank you.
The training and placement department of our college will train the students starting from the first year. The training program for the first years will be in the soft skills, where the in-house trainers will be doing that. And coming from the second year students, once the student enters into the second year, they will be trained in the coding skills. And in the third year, the technical training, which is going to be comprising of 120 hours, and the non-technical training 90 hours will be given. Apart from the life skills training, which we are going to be providing. And apart from all these trainings, the students are going to be undergoing the coding platforms, where they will be having weekly tests in the platforms every Wednesday and Saturday. And also in the final year, once the companies are coming to the college, we will be having the company specific training, and based upon the requirements of the company, the students will be trained.
At Vignana's Institute of Engineering for Women, we believe that real learning begins within our own campus. Apart from the external training, we also provide strong internal training to our students to ensure that every student is industry ready. Right from the first year, the students are guided through orientation, communication skills, basic engineering skills and also Cambridge English training. By the time they move to second and third years, the students are provided with domain skills, soft skills, logical and aptitude skills, and we also provide workshops and certification programs. By the time they reach the final year, the students are provided with company-specific trainings, mock interviews. So with this structure and continuous program which is personalized for every student, we believe that the students are now molded to be the successful professionals. We are incredibly proud of our students and the laurels that they bring to our college. Thank you so much.